What's up, guys? Graham here, and today we're diving into the world of Fiverr. If you're looking to make some serious cash online in 2024, you've got to check this out. Fiverr is like the Amazon of freelance services. It's a platform where you can sell pretty much any skill you've got. And let me tell you, the potential here is insane. Sure, there's competition, but the demand for freelance services is skyrocketing. More businesses are going remote, more people are starting side hustles, and they all need help. What makes Fiverr so great is its simplicity. You create a gig, set your price, and wait for clients to come to you. No cold calling, no awkward networking events, just pure, sweet passive income potential. And the best part, you can start with zero upfront costs. All you need is a skill and an internet connection. Fiverr isn't just a place to make a quick buck. It's a platform where you can build a real, sustainable business. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that could change your financial future. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Fiverr launched back in 2010 with a simple concept. Everything costs $5. Today, Fiverr is a global marketplace where freelancers offer services ranging from $5 to $10,000 and beyond. Why did Fiverr blow up? 2 words: gig economy. As traditional 9-to-5 jobs became less secure, more people started looking for alternative ways to make money. At the same time, businesses realized they could save a ton by outsourcing tasks to freelancers. Fiverr was right there, ready to connect these two groups. Fiverr didn't just ride the wave of the gig economy, they shaped it. They introduced features like gig packages and Fiverr Pro for top-tier freelancers. Today, Fiverr is more than just a freelance marketplace. It's an ecosystem. They offer courses, a blog full of tips, and even a podcast. Fiverr is invested in your success because when you succeed, they succeed. All right, let's get to the good stuff. What kind of gigs are actually making money on Fiverr in 2024? First up, anything AI related. Businesses are scrambling to integrate AI into their operations, and they need experts to guide them. Next, video editing. With platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts dominating, the demand for short-form video content is through the roof. If you can turn raw footage into scroll-stopping videos, you'll never be short of clients. Specialize in a niche, like real estate video tours or product unboxing videos. Graphic design is another evergreen category on Fiverr. In 2024, think NFT art, augmented reality filters, or designs for 3D printing. The key is to stay on top of trends and offer services that tap into emerging markets. Lastly, don't overlook the power of writing gigs. Think SEO-optimized product descriptions, engaging email sequences, or scripts for AI chatbots. Businesses are always on the lookout for skilled writers who can capture their brand voice and connect with their audience. Now that you've got an idea of what to sell, let's talk about how to sell it. Your Fiverr profile is your storefront. It's the first thing potential clients see, so you need to make it count. First things first, your profile picture. Use a professional-looking headshot. Next up, your bio. Focus on your skills, your experience, and the results you've achieved for past clients. Use bullet points to make it easy to scan and sprinkle in some keywords related to your services. Now let's talk about your gig descriptions. Start with a killer headline that clearly states what you offer. Break down your service into clear, concise bullet points. What exactly will the client get? How long will it take? What makes your service unique? Always offer more value than your competitors. Finally, let's talk about your portfolio. Curate your portfolio carefully. Choose pieces that showcase your range and expertise. Remember, potential clients are looking for someone who can deliver results, not just pretty pictures. Section 5, Client Magnet Strategies to Attract Buyers. You've got your profile set up, your gigs are ready to go. Now what? It's time to start attracting clients. First things first, optimize for Fiverr's search algorithm. Use relevant keywords in your gig titles and descriptions, but make sure they flow naturally. Next, let's talk about pricing. Focus on providing value. Start with competitive prices to get your first few reviews. Then gradually increase your rates as you build your reputation. Leverage Fiverr's buyer requests feature. This is a goldmine for new sellers. Take some time each day to browse these requests and submit personalized offers. Don't just copy and paste the same message to everyone. Explain how you can meet their specific needs. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of excellent customer service. Respond to messages promptly. Be professional and courteous, even if the client isn't. Go above and beyond to exceed expectations. Happy clients leave good reviews, and on Fiverr, good reviews are worth their weight in gold. Section 6, Fiverr Pro Tips, leveling up your earnings. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some advanced strategies to really maximize your earnings on Fiverr. First up, upselling. This is where the real money is made. Don't just offer a basic package, create tiered packages with additional services or faster delivery times. Many clients will opt for higher tier packages if they see the value. Next, let's talk about cross-selling. Offer complementary services to your main gig. For example, if you're a logo designer, you could also offer business card design or social media graphics. Focus on building long-term relationships with clients. Repeat business is the holy grail of freelancing. After you complete a project, follow up with the client. Thank them for their business and subtly remind them of your other services. Don't forget about the power of testimonials. When you do great work for a client, ask for a detailed review. Guide them on what to include, specific results, your professionalism, your communication skills. These detailed reviews not only help you rank higher in Fiverr's search results, but they also serve as powerful social proof for future clients. Section 7, Navigating Fiverr's Levels System. Let's talk about one of Fiverr's most important features, the levels system. There are 4 levels: new seller, level 1, level 2, and top-rated seller. Each level comes with its own perks, like the ability to offer more extras or access to exclusive features. But more importantly, higher levels mean more visibility in search results. So, how do you level up? It's all about consistency and quality. You need to maintain a high star rating, complete orders on time, and respond quickly to messages. You also need to meet certain earnings thresholds. For example, to reach level 1, you need to complete at least 10 orders and earn $400 over 60 days. As you level up, you can start charging more for your services. Buyers are willing to pay premium prices for top-rated sellers. Set goals for yourself and keep pushing to climb the ranks. Section 8, the art of upselling on Fiverr. The key to successful upselling is to offer additional value that the client actually wants. Don't just throw in random extras. Think about what would complement your main service or solve additional problems for your client. For example, if you're a voiceover artist, your basic gig might be a 100-word script. But what if the client needs background music, or sound effects, or maybe they want the audio files in different formats? These are all opportunities for upsells. Create gig extras for each of these services. Price them reasonably, but remember that extras should have a higher profit margin than your base gig. Use psychology in your pricing strategy. This is called the decoy effect, and it's a powerful pricing strategy. Upselling isn't just about adding extras, it's also about creating premium versions of your main gig. Maybe your standard logo design gig includes 2 revisions, but your premium version includes unlimited revisions and a faster delivery time. The goal is to create packages that cater to different client needs and budgets. This way, you can maximize your earnings by offering more value. Section 9, Managing your time and workload. One of the biggest challenges of freelancing on Fiverr is managing your time and workload. It's easy to get overwhelmed, especially when you start getting a steady stream of orders. First and foremost, use a calendar. As soon as you get an order, block out time in your calendar to work on it. Learn to estimate your time accurately. It's better to underpromise and overdeliver. Give yourself some buffer time in case things take longer than expected. And always factor in time for revisions. Batching is a game changer for productivity. Group similar tasks together. Maybe you spend the morning working on all your writing gigs and the afternoon on graphic design projects. This helps you get into a flow state and work more efficiently. Don't forget to schedule breaks. It's easy to burn out when you're freelancing. Make sure you're taking regular breaks throughout the day. Step away from your computer, stretch, hydrate. Remember, a burned-out freelancer is an unproductive freelancer. Section 10, Dealing with challenging clients. Let's face it, not every client is going to be a dream to work with. But how you handle difficult situations can make or break your Fiverr career. First rule, always stay professional. No matter how unreasonable a client is being, keep your cool. Remember, all your communication on Fiverr is recorded, and it can affect your standing on the platform. Scope creep is a common problem. Set clear boundaries from the start. In your gig description and initial communication, be very specific about what's included in your service. If a client is still pushing for more, explain politely that what they're asking for is beyond the scope of the current gig. Offer to create a custom offer for the additional work. If they're not willing to pay extra, stand your ground and stick to the original agreement.